say is a nut job.
So I'm out here today working on a wagon, getting a new throttle bracket and all mounted. Something that's a little more likely to pass tech. And the FedEx man just dropped us off a box from our friends at Summit. They have come through for us again just in time to style us out for Dragweek. Let's take a look at what we got. All right, so if you've seen in the other video that we got some center lines for the rear of the car, and picked them up really cheap. So I needed a set of skinnies for the front. I didn't need a set of skinnies because I can always use these steel wheels, but just to style us out in our looks department a little bit, it would have helped. So I shopped around on Marketplace and all, and the problem was not with what's out there. The problem was with me, because I was finding skinnies, but like $500 or $600 for a pair, and I have $20 in the back wheels. You know what I mean? So our friends at Summit hooked us up. This is their brand wheel. I haven't opened the box yet. This is their brand wheel. We got us a pair of them, of course, and I'm scared to poke in there. Don't want to scratch them. This is their brand wheel, and this is their, I guess, their line of wheel. It's called a Warrior, and they're crazy light wheels. And no, they're not a perfect match. They're not even a close match. They're not centerline styles. Apparently, these wheels are actually manufactured by Vision Wheels. Okay. They're on the box. They even say Summit Warrior wheels, but apparently they are actually manufactured by Vision, which we all know Summit doesn't actually make their own stuff. Oh, I've eaten hamburgers heavier than this.
There's nothing in the world that can compare with a hamburger, juicy and rare.
One little center cap. Let's take a look at what we got here. I do appreciate the good packaging job. These are our huckleberries for the front. How awesome are these wheels? And I can't get over how light they are. I mean, one finger. And, well, let's face it, needed to save weight somewhere. Remember them heavy cheeseburgers I said I'm eating? So I'm not saving weight. We need to save weight somewhere. These are 15 by 4. We already have some new tires on the way. They'll be at my buddy's tire shop first thing Monday morning. I think the tires are already there, but he's done closed for the day. So we'll be there first thing Monday morning to get the new high-speed tires mounted. Wow. These things are incredibly... I'm shocked by how light these wheels are compared to what I've normally been running. This is a light wheel. It's lighter than the wheels that's on the Galaxy. So I know there's some guys out there that run a crazy light wheel, but keep in mind this is still going to be a street car. This is still a car that gets driven, that will get driven. So I need something that, you know, is going to last. This is what we went with. The Warrior RT from Summit. The finish on these wheels are awesome. The finish matches the rear wheels real well. here's what I was kind of thinking when I was looking for a set of wheels. The center lines on the back are solid, of course. You've seen those. And I did look around, and that is an expensive wheel to buy in a skinny. Well, then I stumbled across these by accident, and I'll talk as I wrap them back up. I stumbled across these merely by accident. And as I got to looking at them, what got into my head was that kind of Harley fat boy kind of look. How they have the solid wheel in the back and the spoke wheel in the front, that kind of thing. I thought, you know what? This could potentially look really cool. Not to mention, I have some upgrades for the front of this wagon that you don't know about yet. That this wheel will allow me to showcase. I'm excited about these wheels. I am grateful for the folks at Summit who styled us out with these wheels and got them here quickly. Packaged them excellently. I will say that these wheels are not expensive. If you're looking into a set of skinny wheels for something for one of your projects and you want something that's not expensive, this wheel at the time that I purchased it, I have to say that because we all know prices seem to change daily in this world. At the time I purchased this wheel, they were $124 each with free shipping. I mean, you know what I mean? Come on now. Come on now. $124 each with free shipping. And even though they are advertised as Summit brand Warrior RT polished finish, I didn't get the black ones. They have them in black, but I got the polished. I'm going to assume since Vision offers you the limited lifetime warranty on it, that they are in fact manufactured by Vision wheels. Doesn't matter. It's not like I'm going to warranty a wheel out anyway. Oh, they have care instructions on the back. We'll make sure we file those somewhere we can find them. So, yeah, y'all be looking forward to the next video. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We have about 5 days, right? We have about 5 days till we leave for Dragweek, and this right here is a big piece of the puzzle. We're tickled to death that Summit would be willing to help us out and get them here. I literally ordered these wheels yesterday. Got on the phone with them and told them exactly what I was looking for, and they just absolutely jumped on the ball and got them here. Now, again, I'm not trying to say these wheels are full-on race wheels, the lightweight race wheels, because honestly, they're really not. But if you look at a high-end set of skinny front runner race wheels that are just ridiculously light, I mean, some of those things are over $1,000. You look at a used set of common, more common skinny wheels, people are getting $300 to $500 for a pair. These right here are light, but yet still heavy enough to run on the street every day if you want to. Still lighter than a lot of other wheels, and they're $124 a piece. So it was kind of a no-brainer for me. It'll give me the look that I want, and it will take some of the nose weight off. So I'm more than happy with them. We are going to do the same thing that is on this, and it's going to be a relatively tall, big tire. That helps with rollout, and I'll get into that in a future video or something. But a big tire will help you with a rollout, and uh, the way I stage and with a stick car and all, it benefits me to be able to roll just a little bit without breaking the beam. You know what I'm saying? So a big tire helps that. So we are putting a bigger tire on it, like what I run on the Galaxy. There's plenty of room under this car for it. You may be limited. They offer these wheels in various sizes, both width and diameter. And you can get these wheels in black or polished. I chose the polished because it matches the rear. But I'll be honest, if you're going for a more sinister look, the black wheels do have a good look to them. I just wanted to come over here and give y'all a quick update because I'm excited about these wheels and tell you that there will be another video coming out on this car before we leave for Dragweek in a few days. But one of the things that you can do, that if you have a moment and would like to, one of the things you can do that will help tremendously me pay for, gas and food and fuel. One of the things that helps me pay for food and fuel is you watching these videos, sharing these videos, comment, thumbs up, drive up the numbers on these videos, and that really helps me, honestly, be able to do what I'm trying to do, and keeps me in hydration, and keeps the vehicle in hydration on the road. So if you could watch these, share these with your friends, let them watch them, drive the numbers up on these things. Subscribe if you haven't. I know that some people don't do that, just watch videos and move along, but it doesn't cost you anything. Doesn't take anything out of your day. Just click a button, and it helps tremendously with me when you do. So if you find it in your heart, I'd really appreciate that. Otherwise, God bless y'all. I hope to see you on the next one. Hope you enjoy this little mini series we're going to do. And there'll be one more video at least before we leave for Dragweek. And then, depending on the internet service now, I will put up videos as quickly as I can out on the road. Power Tour, we did one every day. I don't know if I'll be able to do one every day with Dragweek because I am flying solo this year. It's going to be me in the car, 1,000, 1,500 miles, whatever it is. Just me in the car, fighting against the world this year. There is no co-pilot this year. So
taxi, taxi, taxi. Dead. I'm dead. Taxi. Here, boy. I'm dying. I'm dead. I'm finished.
I don't know how quick I'll be able to get the videos out, but I'll try to get them out as quick as I can. God bless y'all. Thank you, every one of you that do support and do comment and do share. I couldn't do this without you. God bless you.
I'd say he's a nut job.